Scientists are
A
still
teenage girl has gone missing in the woods after not returning home last night.
There has been a breakout in a nearby nuclear plant.
Breaking news. This mysterious plague has now advanced to the surrounding towns and is moving quickly.
Death counts are rising by the thousands. The source of the attack is still unknown. The government is issuing shelter-in-place until further notice to protect citizens.
Hundreds of people have reported feeling like they are in a time warp before they disappear and are later found dead.
Scientists are still troubled by the abrupt spike of this unknown epidemic.
Welcome back to News Channel 6, coverage you can trust. Today we come to you with a scientific breakthrough that could possibly help pinpoint the cause of the mysterious epidemic that has been sweeping our nation for a stretch of time. 2 years ago, on July 31st, 2022, a teenage videographer set out on a journey to the woods near the infamous nuclear factory to film a nature documentary. Just recently, her footage was discovered by local scientists who were inspecting the area. After previewing the videos, professionals have come across a recording that may help lead us to the cause of this mysterious epidemic. Viewer discretion is advised, as some of the following footage may be disturbing to younger audiences.
Hello. It is currently 5:39 p.m., July 31st, 2022, and I am heading out to a trail in the woods to film a nature documentary for my film class. And I thought it would be fun to do a little behind the scenes type vlog thing for this. So yeah, I think I'm gonna probably head out probably about a mile out to get some shots, and I think it's gonna be really fun. So let's go. So another cool thing about where I'm heading is that just down there, I think it's a nuclear plant factory. So that's kind of spooky. Alright, so I'm about an hour into the trail, I think. I'm gonna probably start getting some shots soon. I see some really pretty ferns. So yeah, let's get to it. You know, it's actually kind of funny. I was worried about not being able to film on my phone, but I think this old camcorder is actually going to work better. I think it just makes the shots look more realistic, you know? Plus, I don't plan on getting lost in the woods, so why would I really need my phone anyways, am I right? Oh, look at those pretty ferns over there. Who is that? Who's there?
Listen, you have to get out. Listen.
Are you okay?
Wait, no. There's no time at this point. Just run. Just get out of here. Run.
Okay. I don't totally know what that was about, but I think I'm probably gonna start heading back now. Not that like I believed that a creature's coming or anything, but I think it's just best if I stop getting shots. I'll probably come back later. Okay, so I've been walking for about an hour, I would say, which is a little strange because I only took an hour to get out here. But I have a feeling I'm getting close to the trailhead because I have to be. It would be impossible if I wouldn't. Unless I just have my time wrong. Wait. That looks vaguely familiar. No, it can't be. I swear, that's the same place that the guy came out of. No. I must be going crazy out here. Alright. think we're actually getting pretty close. We have some great shots, though, of some plants. I think it's going to be a really good film. Not again. No. We're gonna get out of here. What? No. 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 It can't be. It's getting dark out. Look at that.
There's no escape.
Who said that? Who's there?
Should have left when my creator in the white suit told you to leave, but you didn't listen.